Welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's recipe will be curried potatoes and squash. In the Dutch oven or Dutch pot, I got melted 2 tablespoons butter. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons curry. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. This is what they term burning the curry. So I'll be burning the curry. This I'll do for about 2 minutes. We do this with low heat. When I say burn the curry, it doesn't really mean to burn up the curry. It just means to add some heat so that you can get flavor from the curry. Okay. I'll be adding 1 cup chopped onion. And I'll be sauteing this for 4 minutes. Now I'll be adding 3 cups of baking potato chopped. 3 cups baking potato. And 3 cups of butternut squash. Stir them up. I'll be adding half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cumin, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. How lovely it looks, and the aroma is wonderful. Now I'll be adding a 1.75 cups chicken broth. You can make it 2 cups chicken broth. And 2 cups whole tomatoes chopped. Looking lovely. Wonderful. Okay, this I'll cover and boil for 5 minutes. Okay, this is looking wonderful. Now I'm gonna add one cup frozen green peas thawed, and 3/4 cups coconut milk, stir this in. Ooh, magnificent. These peas have added a lot of beauty to this curried potatoes and squash. Now this will be cooked and covered for 12 minutes until the squash and the potatoes get tender. Okay, the curried potatoes and squash is completed. Looking lovely, smelling lovely, and very tasty. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.